In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record yourself with content using Microsoft Teams. If you want to create a quick presentation, walkthrough, or tutorial and capture both yourself and what you're showing on screen, Microsoft Teams makes that process pretty simple. I'll walk you through the setup from start to finish so you can begin recording confidently. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the calendar section. This is where you can quickly create or launch a meeting space for your recording. Using a meeting is helpful because it gives you access to the built-in sharing and recording tools you need. Once you're in Calendar, click on Meet Now. This starts as instant meeting without needing to schedule anything in advance. It's a fast way to create a private space where you can record yourself along with your presentation, browser window, or other on-screen content. After that, click Start Meeting. At this point, Teams will launch the meeting room. Before you move on, it's a good idea to make sure your camera and microphone are working the way you want. Since this recording will include both your presence and your shared content, having clean audio and a clear camera view can make a big difference. When your meeting is open, click Share. This is the option that allows you to display content during the recording. If you're teaching something, reviewing a document, or demonstrating software, this is the step that puts your material on screen for viewers to follow. Next, click. Choose what you want to share. Teams will usually give you a few options here, such as sharing a full screen, a specific window, or sometimes a presentation. Choose the option that best matches what you want your audience to see. If you only want to show one app and avoid distractions, sharing a single window can be a smart choice. If you need to move between multiple apps, your full screen may work better. Now go ahead and share your content. Once it's live, take a quick moment to confirm that the correct material is visible. This helps you avoid recording the wrong tab, window, or screen. Finally, click Record. This begins capturing your meeting, including your shared content and your on-camera presence, depending on your setup in Teams. From here, you can start speaking and move through your material naturally. That's all it takes to record yourself with content using Microsoft Teams. If you want the best results, try to keep your desktop tidy, close anything unnecessary before you begin, and pause briefly before speaking so your recording starts cleanly. Once you're done, you'll have a simple recording workflow you can reuse anytime.